Data recovery is crucial for cyber resilience, enabling businesses to quickly restore critical data after a cyber attack. This minimizes downtime and protects against potential threats, ensuring business continuity and operational stability. While prevention and protection are vital, they aren't enough in today's threat landscape. Integrating data recovery solutions is essential for a comprehensive cyber resilience strategy, especially with the rise of cybercrime like ransomware. Cyber threats have evolved, targeting backups with advanced ransomware tactics. According to the Veeam Ransomware Trends Report, only 52% of organizations that paid ransom achieved full recovery, highlighting the risks of relying on ransom payments. Immutable backups lock down critical data, preventing modification or deletion. Clean rooms provide a secure environment for restoring backups, isolating data from live systems. This ensures data integrity and usability, crucial for effective recovery after a breach. Monitoring changes in production environments and updating data recovery plans is vital. Documenting lessons learned and implementing remedial actions ensures readiness against potential attacks, balancing preventive and reactive risk controls for holistic cyber resilience. Provision provides expert advisory services for IT asset management and procurement, specializing in cloud, telecom, wireless networking, contact centers, cybersecurity, and more. With hundreds of industry relationships, our specialists navigate the IT services landscape to find tailored solutions that meet your unique business needs.